Hello, everyone. I am Faisal, and today I want to talk about my learning journey. First, I want to present my project's reflection. I want to go over projects that I have completed in this semester and some important things about these projects and some suggestions and benefits that I got in these projects. First, let's talk about project planning and design for each one. So I did 2 projects with my classmate and 2 projects individually. So the first things that we did, email classmates early, suggest topic for the project, and ask them if he or she has an idea about the topics or another topics. And after that, we shared a Word file in Google Drive or OneDrive. The last thing, distribution tasks. So everyone knows his part. So I started my part and follow the progress of my classmates, and everyone should accept the necessary changes from each other. As you know, we have 4 projects. First one, self-directed learning. The topic, I did it with my classmate. The topic was the need of insurance, and the goal, the adult learning, understanding the needs of insurance. There's other goals, but this is the important one. The next one was experiences and learning. So I did it individually, and I took as example of training center in my city in Saudi Arabia. So we have a neighborhood club community, and I worked in there in evening as a part-time. So the training topics that I chose the first aids. The first aids is very important for everyone. So the project was about it. So the third one was transformational learning. I did it with Amy. She was a great student and a great partner that I work with. So we did topics about correcting the mistakes and the false ideas about online learning. The goal was about explain online learning education and correct the mistakes, and about online learning in the people and the people and the students. And the last one was embedded and narrative learning. I did it alone, and my topic was about reducing the stress and controlling study for studying time for graduate students. And the goal for this project was about addressing the stress among the graduate students by using different theories that we studied, and also I use how we can use yoga to reduce the stress and to successful in their studies. Some important points and highlights that I want to talk about. First, be ready to do your project on your own, I mean individually, without your classmates. So he or she may apologize at any time for working with you. So that's very important to be ready for anything. And the things the second one, do projects on something that you like. and your classmates like. So sometimes your classmate will just some topics that you didn't know it or you didn't like to work about it. Just you can to ask him to change that kindly. So this is the most important two things that I want to note for you. So benefits from these projects in my work. As you know, I am teacher and I work teacher in the learning center in my city, and in the evening I work in the neighborhood club community. So this is different places, and I think this course helped me to improve my teaching skills and improve my let's say improve my management skills to work in this place again in very positive way. So and to have a new environment in these places, and also learn useful practices in the classroom, and the planning lessons by using different theories, new theories for me. I learned new theories for me that I didn't learn before, and no, I can, and now I know how I can use reflective and experience and use them in the real practices. The most important tools and apps I used in my project, like what you see now, university libraries. It's very important. Online libraries, Ball State University has one, so you can just go in online library in your account, Ball State account, and you can find many articles about the topics you just need to share, search about the topics that you want to find information about it. Also, use Google Drive. It's very important for a student to share their works together. And inbox. Don't be shy. Just ask your classmates and your teacher about anything that you want to know about it, or you want to help in it. And the last one, Zoom meeting. I think the Zoom app is the first important app that you can talk and see your classmates. Thank you.